Only 1% can score 5 out of 5 on this country quiz. Can you beat it? First quiz. What is the northernmost state in the US? What's your guess? Got it right? The answer's locked in. We'll see how you did in just a moment. Which UK monument is older than the Egyptian pyramids? Ready for the next challenge? What is the national animal of Australia? Comment A, B, C, or D. Don't call yourself a genius just yet. The next two questions are much harder. But before that, let's check your score so far. In the first quiz we asked, what is the northernmost state in the US? The answer is Alaska. Alaska is the northernmost state in the US. But here's a mind-blowing geographical twist. Alaska isn't just the northernmost US state, it's also the westernmost and the easternmost. Because the tail end of Alaska's Aleutian Islands crosses the 181st meridian into the eastern hemisphere, it technically claims all three geographic crowns at once. In the second quiz we asked, which UK monument is older than the Egyptian pyramids? The answer is Stonehenge. Believe it or not, Stonehenge is actually older than the Egyptian pyramids. While its famous giant standing stones were put up around 2500 BC, right around the same time the Great Pyramid was built, Stonehenge's very first phase, a massive circular earthwork, was dug all the way back in 3000 BC. That means Stonehenge was an ancient sacred site centuries before Egypt built its first pyramid. The third quiz was, what is the national animal of Australia? The answer is red kangaroo. The red kangaroo is Australia's national animal, and it holds a famous spot on the country's coat of arms alongside the emu. But why these two? Because neither animal can easily walk backward. They were chosen to symbolize a nation that is always moving forward. Plus, growing up to 6 feet tall, it's the largest marsupial on Earth. What's your score so far? These final two questions are the hardest in today's quiz. Before we proceed, please hit the subscribe button. Fourth quiz. Which country controls the Suez Canal? Comment A, B, C, or D. Final question coming up. Which country has the largest natural gas reserves globally? Now the answer time. In the fourth quiz, we asked, which country controls the Suez Canal? The answer is Egypt. Egypt completely controls the Suez Canal. Opened in 1869, this man-made waterway cuts right through Egypt to connect the Mediterranean to the Red Sea. It's one of the most vital choke points on Earth, handling over 10% of global trade and letting ships completely skip the massive, costly journey around the entire continent of Africa. In the fifth and final quiz, we asked, which country has the largest natural gas reserves globally? The answer is Russia. Russia holds the world's largest proven natural gas reserves, sitting on nearly 1/4 of the global total. Now, don't confuse reserves with production. The US actually extracts the most gas right now, thanks to the shale boom. But when it comes to the raw volume waiting underground, Russia's massive Siberian fields take the crown. How many did you get right out of 5? Comment your final score below. And don't forget to subscribe to Quiz Mania for more mind-bending challenges like this one. See you in the next video.